Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This is a video for those of you that have got a 120 Prado. So 120 Prado, this is not for the 150 or the Hilux. Just a quick one on part numbers for replacement mud flaps or mud spats, whatever you're going to call them. These part numbers are for the color-coded ones, so as they come from new, so if you've got the silver or the black or the white Prado, whatever it is, they all come color-coded, painted grey. Obviously varying shades of grey because different batches, but they do come. So I'm just going to let you know, I've got them laid out as if I'm standing at the back of the vehicle. Okay, so we'll go for the left hand front first, so passenger side front, just to give you the part number. Okay, that's the passenger side front. We'll go to the driver's side front. Okay, passenger side rear. Have a look at it for yourself. Does that look right? You know, you can get them non-painted, they're cheaper, so there's a tip for you. I haven't got those part numbers here handy, and that's the right hand rear. Okay, so obviously if you use it off-road, the sort of things that happen is they just get a bit ripped up the side there like that. On how well you can see that one. That one probably not the best. I'll spin it around, get some light on it, you know. So that's what happens to them, and they're about, depends where you buy them from. In Australia, I think they're, what were they? Under $100, all right? They're about 80, 70 bucks each, something like that. You can buy them from overseas for probably 30 or 40 bucks, but you've got delivery and whatever. If they send you the wrong ones, well, you got to deal with that. So anyway, just showing you that's what happens to them if you use the vehicle off-road a fair bit on some rougher tracks. But yeah, just to help you out, I'm not here to sell them to you or anything like that. You can't really go wrong buying these, just a bit of plastic. So you can grab them wherever you like. There's the part numbers. Thanks for watching. See ya.